This is my review on the East Coast Trains Class 43 HST 125 in the Model Zone exclusive delivery from Hornby. It's currently in the box, so I've already gotten it out to run it and do the code settings, because it normally comes DCC ready, but I've already had it outfitted when I bought it. So when I got the train, or loco and dummy car, it was fitted with DCC Sound in the motor unit and the dummy car. So this is just a look at the box. As I said, it would have come DCC ready. There's the code R2964, and pretty standard box for what Hornby does. I've still got the receipt taped on the back there. I got it from them lot. As you can see on the top of the receipt, it says the company name. It also shows on the back all the coaches you can get. So you've got the Mark III Standard Open, Mark III Open First Class, Buffet Car, I've already got one of those, and the Trailer Guards Standard. Somehow I already got two of those. And they're right here, just in the station. Loco and dummy car are still in the box. As might have already mentioned, not exactly good in my memory, I've already got it out the box to code it with its number. Already checked how well it ran. It did have a working fan in the motor unit, but one of the rubber bearings moved out of place and stopped it spinning. Fixed it twice, but it kept sliding out of place. I was thinking just put a bit of glue on it, hold it in place, but it turns out it actually slows the motor down, puts more resistance on it. So I've just left it disconnected so it can run a lot easier. Bit of damage to the box when I got it. Right, let's open it up, since this is my review. Gonna have to put the phone down a second. Right, now that the sleeving's off, we are unveiled this box, which is normal for any HST or other kind of motor dummy car unit. Just under the catch. Oh, almost drop it. Looks like the paper sheet's getting stuck. Box a second. Now in the box you would normally get this piece of card, which I'll just move out of the way, and the operations manual. If it's got a sound chip in it, it will come with a list. Function 1 and 8 turn on the sound modules in the units, but it goes all the way down to number 16, so you need a good one for the sound. Replacement bearings for the fans to run. Don't know if it's focused quite well on those. And a bit of protective sleeving for a sound chip, or the standard digital chip. Of course, I've already got two fitted in there. They've already got the sleeving, and that's the operations manual. There's the fan. To gain access, you've got to undo 4 screws, lift the body off, and undo another 4 screws. That's one of the bearings. The other bearing is in there. If this is boring you, then just look in the description. I may have skipped it ahead to put a time where you can skip ahead to see me actually pop it on the rails and run it round and run you through the sounds. that's the dummy car, 43310, and here's the motor car, 43300. For my one, I took the first 4 numbers off the cab, but on this model, all 4 doors actually open. If you can see that, just that one opens, that one also opens, and there's the same on the opposite side of the car as well. Really nice. They made a slight error on the logo. See, on the box they done it with a silver grate, and these bits were silver. But on the logo it's actually a black grate. So that's a little bit of a mishap they've had. So yeah, let's just pop that out. This is the dummy unit. As you can see, it doesn't actually have a gearbox on it, but it is all-wheel pickup. Got those nice couplings on it as well, which means it can hook up on the corner. I've looked at some other reviews of Bachmann ones, or other ones of these, and people say that these are better couplings than the Bachmann one. So yeah, that's the dummy unit anyway, so we'll just put that there. This one's the motor unit. The dummy unit is light, but the motor unit actually weighs a lot. If I can actually get it out without dropping it. It's a lot more complicated one-handed, so give me a break. And then we'll just put this box, which is pretty much standard bit, and move the other boxes out of the way. I mean, as I said, I've already had them digital sounded, so the sound chip in this one is actually in this section here. So if you look through the windows, you'd see it, and it's also the same in this car here. Dummy one, the fans never did work, so it looked a bit odd with one set of fans running and one not. So let's pull my coaches out. As I said, I've already got 3 coaches. A guards fan, one at the back, if the phones is being clear. Then I got a buffet car, and then I've a guards one. I'm hoping to get another 3 coaches for the set, so that one's hooked on. Right, so that's it on track, so let's power up my line. I'm running the DCC Dynamis with EZ command. That's my command station because my layout's not yet finished, so I've not built it in yet. I've just got enough to power it up. Let's bring this back so I can show you the onboard lights. Okay, I'll show it from the dummy car because that's got a better interior one. Right, so this is the dummy car on the rail. We'll just turn on the lights, it will set to the rear. That's it set for the rear lights. And as you can see, it's got a interior light in here. Light arrangement. And if you can, very detailed cab. Painted controls, buttons, the works. As I said, it has doors that open in on either side of the units. So there it is, just slowly pushing along. Very quiet motor, as you'd expect.